We are a business-to-business location infrastructure company, which sounds really complicated, but really what that means is that we build products that make it a lot easier for developers to add location services to their web and mobile applications. So, location is getting real big. Obviously people are hearing about Foursquare and Goala as far as like check-in type stuff and local deal stuff. Obviously everyone's heard Groupon and stuff like that, which is pretty much just scratching the surface of what location can do, and pretty much providing ultimate context around what you're doing by adding the layer of where you are.
You sat on a panel earlier this week about prototypes and business plans.
Yep.
I think it was my prototype can kick your business plan.
Yeah, something like that.
Something like that.
Yeah, the argument that I had on the panel was that a lot of time people go from prototype directly to market rather than using a prototype for what it's for, which is proving out an idea and not having that be the ultimate product.
What is helping you be more productive? Like what tools or applications do you use?
I'm a traditionalist. I am a pen and paper guy. So, I definitely have a lot of computer type stuff that, I use Basecamp 37 Signals product to manage my tasks. We at Simple Geo built our own sort of to-do system that helps manage tasks across multiple teams. But in general, like I like to just keep things real simple. I use there's a product by Behance called Action Method that I'm a huge advocate of, and I think that it's a brilliant product that really helps you be more productive, and it really is just taking the idea of what you would be doing in a meeting or in a conversation and breaking it down into these steps of pre-planning things that are happening and then pulling out action steps. So that's really important for me because I'm sort of scatterbrain, ADHD like most people.
How do you stay inspired? What is it that you do or that inspires you in your work?
So I actually try and make a concerted effort to stay out of the tech scene. I do product, and then my background is in design, and I'm really passionate about user experience and different stuff like that. And I'm of the opinion that if you spend, particularly living in San Francisco, it's really easy to get caught up in the bleeding edge of everything that's going on. But as somebody who's responsible for trying to plan for what people are going to use, or in consumer internet products, how people are going to use it, I think you're doing a disservice to yourself by having your field of view be all of the people who understand all the crazy complicated things right off the bat. So, for example, my fiance is a principal, and she's not a tech person, and it's just not really her thing. And I think that it's one of the most valuable things. I mean, it's not why we're getting married or anything, but it's serendipitously, it's really good for me to be able to bounce ideas off of her because she's the perfect use case of a normal internet user. I love looking, all things architecture, lots of, like I said, industrial design, stuff like that, interior design, anything that's art, cooking, I love to do, food, stuff like that. Anything that's artistic that is not what I do, I draw a lot of inspiration from. Are you witnessing the changing of the guard? From the nerds to the flannel wearing mustaches? It's really weird. The last day is sort of when the people are at the club till 6 in the morning and get out and run into the people who are just going to work, and everyone's like,